show you guys how to install the fog light on the Cascadia. I already installed one of it. Here is the other one. This is the packaging. It's very well packaged. So it's a 6 lamp LED. So what we have to do, get this plastic out, kind of open the hood and install it. Just install it. Fish your wire inside. Just like this. One, two, and then 3 is right there. So just put your nuts right there. So you push your fog light from the outside to inside of the truck, and from this side just put the nut on and tie it up. And there is a third one kind of hiding there. Just like this, and then you're taking your 10mm socket, make it tight. Okay, it looks tight, and then we're taking the fog light wiring and just snap it on. Those fog lights is 1100 lumens, so it's supposed to be very, very bright. Let's close the hood. All set, ready to go.